Today we're going to use Pythagorean theorem to solve unknown side lengths on a given triangle. First question here, we need to solve for x. The main thing you need to know for Pythagorean theorem is that c is always the hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is always the longest side, which is across from the 90-degree angle. So this is going to be c. This can be a or b, and same for this can be a or b. Now we're just going to plug everything in. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, x squared can't be changed at all, 9 plus 16 is 25. To get rid of a squared term, we can take the square root of both sides, and we get x is equal to 5. Now, keep in mind, when you take the square root of something that's squared, you do get two solutions, positive 5 and negative 5. But for now, we're just going to write down the positive answer because we're dealing with measurements, and measurements are positive if there's no direction involved. Okay, another example. So again, the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. Only c is the important one. So I'm going to let a equal to 1 and b equal to y. So now we have 1 squared plus y squared equals 2 squared. Now we need to isolate for y. Squared is equal to 3. Take the square root of both sides, and we get y equals square root 3. That's it for this video. Go ahead and do the homework questions on the screen now. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing for a chance to win a free tutoring session.